give you 10-15 minutes of break. Okay. So again, boot processing. So I told boot processing, but again, this time, what if an issue is occurred and which step we have to check it? Okay, that's we are doing this one. So what is the boot processing anyway? Step-by-step process of when system is power on and to the get a system, people can able to use the system. So like in between, what are the steps are happens, that is called a boot processing. Boot time, boot processing, these are all almost all same words. The first step, we know already, power on self-test. You power on your system, SMPS will start and give the power supply. Guys, I got a doubt recently because I didn't add these two things for so many days. If power SMPS is not started, it means it's a power supply related. SMPS is connected to main power supply. SMPS main power supply to SMPS, SMPS to your motherboard and other components we are connecting. You press the power button, SMPS is not started. So you will know the power is not on. BGD. So either it is your main power connection, power card connectivity, SMPS wise, you can will understand. But it is showing a power on. So power LED is blinking. Okay. So then next. From that one only I'm telling. So power on, power is on, means it's running. If SMPS is not running, so you can check the SMPS fan and main power supply and SMPS connected, means SMPS to motherboard connector. Okay. And also motherboard to front panel connector. Motherboard to front panel connector is there, the button connector. So many things are there. That's why usually I don't go. So it can be SMPS problem or this connector problem, SMPS problem, main power supply connector problem. Okay, power button problem or a front panel connector related problem. Okay, so many problems are there. One by one. Yeah, so if you press the power button, nothing is happening. It means it's a power supply related, either main related, SMPS related, SMPS to motherboard connector related, and motherboard to front panel power button connector. That related issues are there. Okay. So you press the power button and then you see the power LED is blinking. It means SMPS is good. So what is the next step? SMPS give a power supply to all your components, motherboard connected components, CPU, and your hard disk, CD-RAM, everything. So system test itself for all components, mainly your CMOS means CPU, motherboard, RAM working or not kind of stuff. If it is working, post is successful, you may hear a single buzzer sound. What is this buzzer? Okay. Like this. This is a small buzzer kind of stuff is there. Speaker or a buzzer. Olden days we used a speaker. Now we are using this kind of buzzers. Okay. So we'll connecting into the front panel connectors. So this is a small buzzer. Some are onboard buzzers also there. Okay, onboard buzzers. In olden days, we use this kind of speakers. What is the use of this speaker or a buzzer? Okay, it will generate a beep sound. Okay, if it is not connected, then no beep sound. If it is connected, you hear a single beep sound. And also keyboard LED blinking. You check the keyboard. usually in a desktops. So we have a keyboard on keyboard. LEDs are there. Okay, why it is not showing somewhere? So on keyboard, this side you can see there is a you see this is the picture. Can you see num lock, cap lock, scroll lock? These three LEDs will blink once. You press the power button, and if you observe, these three LEDs are blink once. If you don't unable to see any a desktop kind of stuff, you can try in any internet center. Just power on. You can see three LEDs are only blink once. Just glow and off. Just on off. That's it. Okay. So that means your post is successful. So either you heard a single beep sound or no beep sound. No beep sound means if speaker is not connected, no beep sound. Speaker is there, single beep sound. Another indication is keyboard LED is blink. Power LED is blinking because it indicates power is on. And also you can see hard disk LED on a front panel of in a PC front panel. These are all front panel connectivity. Okay. On the front panel, it can no, it's not showing properly. Okay. This is the LEDs. You can see sometimes like this is what we can say. This is a SMPS connector. Okay. It's not showing properly, but it will be there. You can see in real computer time. Okay, yeah, this is mic and earphones, right? This is the power button. There only on the power button, you can able to see or near to the power button, you can see power LED and a hard disk LED also. Okay, power LED is blinking and hard disk LED is also blinks. On your monitor, it will show something about your BIOS information, PC logo, OS loading kind of stuff, at least. Okay. Like this, Windows 10 is loading screen. Okay, so something like this it will show. Or some error also. Some error also it will show. Okay. Even like this is some small loading you can able to observe. There's small loading kind of stuff. Okay. Something it is on the screen. Something. At least no signal. Okay. At least you can see no input or no signal kind of stuff. At least you can see that one. No signal represent your data connector means monitor to the system. The data connector is not connected. HDMI or a VGA connector is not connected properly. Okay. Okay. So this is our data cable connector. So VGA connector it is. Okay. If it is not connected properly or no graphics or graphic card related issues. Okay. No graphical information or no graphics information. So then you'll get a no signal, no input or no signal kind of stuff. Guys, in these are all indicates your post is successful. How to know post is failure? How to know post is failure? Post is successful, then next step. You don't need to do anything. Simply wait and then it will complete your boot process. Okay. So post is successful, no problem, next step. Post failure, you have to troubleshoot. How do you know post is failure and where is an issue is occur? Okay. You may not hear any beep sound. No beep sound means no speaker. Sometimes you hear the multiple beeps or continuous long short beeps. So that means it is based on your BIOS manufacturer and motherboard manufacturers. So you'll get a either single beep sound means actually successful, or sometimes you will hear multiple beep sounds, continuous long short beep sounds represent there is a problem in your motherboard or a motherboard components. You'll see one short beep means VGA detected, quick boot set as a disabled, no keyboard detected kind of stuff. One continuous beep followed by two short beeps, then a pause and repeated means one continuous beep means one long beep, two short beeps means it's related to your memory detected means your RAM is corrupted or RAM is not inserted properly. One continuous beep followed by three short beeps is a VGA related problem, means monitor connection problem. One continuous beep followed by four short beeps is a hardware component failure. Hardware component failure. Guys, this is also depends upon the BIOS manufacturers only. Okay, the single beep sound, multiple beep sounds depends upon the BIOS manufacturers. Different BIOS manufacturers are there, so you have to go through their sheets. Okay, but in general, I am telling one single beep is usually no problem. No beep because of maybe the buzzer is not installed or speaker is not installed inside your system. Multiple beep sounds, continuous long beep sounds you are hearing means there is a definitely problem inside your system. It can be motherboard related, RAM related, or any other components related. Okay. And another indication is post is failed is no display means it's a blank screen. Okay, blank screen. Blank screen is different. No signal is different. It is showing no signal means data cable not connected properly or VGA related problems. No display, usually it is post related issues. Nothing on the screen. Okay, so monitor is on, power on. Monitor having a power on LED. So monitor is on. You will see that power on LED is there, but nothing on the screen. So you power on the system, on your screen, nothing is there. It means not even any logo or anything. Nothing on, literally nothing on the screen. Not even a no signal. It means it is a post related problem. Okay, no LED blinking, no hard disk LED blinking. Keyboard LED also is not blinking. Okay, it's blink once, that is also not happened. So you power on your system. So SMPS is on, you have seen that SMPS is there. Power LED is blinking, yes, means power supply is distributed. On CPU, there is a CPU fan is there, no? The fan is also running. The fan is also running, but no display on the screen. Okay, no display, literally it's a blank screen it is. And another one is hard disk LED is not blinking, keyboard LED is also not blinking. It means it is a post related problem, power on self test related problem. So first step only we got a problem. Let's understand how to understand you got a post error or not.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, you can use postcard to detect where is an issue. So normally by beep sounds, we can understand where is an issue, or you want to know better way, you can use postcard. Okay, postcard. It's a simple card, guys. This is we have to insert into your PCA slot and insert into your motherboard. I will try to show you. This is so is inserted into your motherboard. YouTube only it is. Okay, you can insert it into your motherboard like this. This is a PCA slot. White big bars are there now. PCA slots. Okay. Once it and power up your system, it shows some numbers on it. These are nothing but your error codes. It shows some numbers on it. It purely depends upon your BIOS. Based on that, you'll get this error, and you have to verify with the sheet is there, data sheet is there. So you have to verify what is this number it is showing, why it is showing like that. So verify with it. So then you will understand where is the issue. Which is motherboard related, power related, a certain component related, north bridge related, south bridge related, like that. We will sure. So where exactly power issue is occur. Means power supply is not an issue here. Issue is either it is a component like your a CPU or maybe a RAM or on motherboard related components issue are there. The postcard is very easy to check it. Any of the component is failed. Mainly main component CPU, RAM and motherboard related, or maybe not connected, improper connection, compatibility, uncompatible, not incompatible, better to use uncompatible kind of stuff. For example, I didn't install my RAM properly. Incompatible, uncompatible RAM I installed. RAM is not working. There is a possibilities there. Okay, so what to do, guys? So first thing is you don't know, you cannot call the before you call the technician. So what to do? Simply, if you know, and if it is not in the what we can say, warrant, remove the power cable, check all the connections, RAM connectivity, remove the RAM, reinsert the RAM, remove the RAM and reinsert the RAM. Check the CPU connectivity, check the on motherboard components connections you are okay. So that is also have to check it. See the RAM connectivity. I will show you once again. See, this is the how RAM is installing. These are the RAM slots settings. And given last class, I think so. You have a RAM. Sometimes, mostly we blame on the RAM in a post errors. First, we blame on the RAM only. Why? Because of RAM is just connected. Okay, it is not as a tightly connected as a CPU. RAM is loosely connected. Okay, and it is not loosely connected, but any move in the desktop, you move the desktop from one place to another place. When you move your system, or when any hard hit is happen to your system, the RAM may get a loose connected. Another one is dust stuff on the RAM slots and on the RAM also. The RAM edges will get dusty. Okay, sometimes because of your longer period of time you are using, so you can do it. Okay, so remove the RAM from the RAM slot. Use eraser to clean up the edges and dust the RAM and also dust remaining your motherboard and system. Okay, so cleanup is also will resolve a lot of times the issue we can able to resolve it. Okay, so clean it. So first remove the RAM, and clean the RAM slots. Okay, do the test part and reinsert it back and verify. If it's not working, cross verify with the other RAM. Okay, so to make sure that it is motherboard failure or RAM failure. So only two things, guys. One is RAM, another is a motherboard. CPU is very less time it is failure will occurs because tightly installed in it. Okay, CPU is not generally, it's not damaged. Of course, we should not say like that, but you have to check it first RAM, then on motherboard, any power connectivities and any connectivities you have to verify. So finally CPU also you have to verify. Cross verification, it confirms where is an issue. If you have a postcard, use the postcard to know where is the issue is occurred. Okay. So this is, if post is successful, what will happen? Post is successful, next part. Post failure, what are the troubleshooting we can able to do it. So where the issue is occurs and what are the things we can able to check it. What to do post failure. Okay, the next one is post is successful. Next step is to load an operating system, find out what are the where is the bootable devices, what are the bootable devices. If bootable device having an operating system, load operating system. Right? Guys, understand up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I power on my PC. I have seen a LED keyboard LEDs blink, hard disk LED blink, single beep sound I heard, something on my screen, so some BIOS logo, and then bootable device not found. Boot device not found, or a bootable device unable to find, like this. Boot device not found, unable to find a boot device. No bootable device detected or operating system detected. Current boot mode is set to BIOS mode, like this. No bootable device available. Okay. Sometimes it will shows like this. No bootable device inserted. Insert a boot disk and press any key. Okay, guys. So if it is showing like this, no bootable device, it is showing like this. Okay, so there is a two things. Generally, where is an operating system? Hard disk, right? Inside a hard disk only. It's not a fresh system, a daily using system only. Fresh system means no operating system inside. So obviously you will get that one. Okay, it's not a fresh system. It is daily using. Yesterday only I used it. Today it is showing boot device not found. No, okay, unable to find a operating system, like that. Okay, so what is the thing we can able to see? Sometimes it will show boot MGR missing. Guys, boot MGR missing is a third step related, but I am telling third step and second step in the second step only. Two things important, guys. Your hard disk contains an operating system. It means either your hard disk is corrupted or operating system is corrupted. Either your operating system is corrupted or a hard disk is corrupted. First, check for a hard disk. How to check hard disk? Go to BIOS settings. Go to BIOS settings. In the BIOS, it will show your hard disk. See, it is fixed HDD WDC 1000 GB. It is showing here in this BIOS settings. Otherwise, I will show you hard disk in BIOS. Okay. It shows. See, it is no hard disk inside. CD-ROM is there, but hard disk is not showing. In this one, hard disk are there, virtual hard disk. Here it is, hard disk is showing. Okay. This is DVD's hard disk. Hitachi hard disk is showing. Here it is DVD RAM. This is hard disk. Okay. So it is showing a hard disk. See, SATA 1 slot connected with this particular hard disk. This is DVD is connected. Nothing is there. None. Okay, guys. So like that, we can understand hard disk is there or not by going through BIOS settings. So go to the BIOS settings, find out where is the hard disk. So hard disk is there or not. First step is find out hard disk is there or not. Hard disk is there or not. Hard disk is available means it is operating system related issues. Hard disk is available means related issues. Hard disk is not available. Then open the cabinet. Connector hard disk to motherboard data connector. SATA connector is there. So connect and disconnect once means check the connectivity, remove the connectivity and reconnect it back. First power off the system. Remove all the power sources. Then remove the connections to your hard disk and reinsert the connections and connect the power supply and power on your system. Now go to the BIOS and check it, hard disk is showing or not. Still hard disk is not showing, cross verify with the other hard disk or other system, means take this hard disk to other system or other system hard disk to this system to make sure that where is an issue is there. Whether it is a data cable problem or maybe power related issues or maybe a hard disk related issues, you have to find it. Okay, so guys, you got a bootable device not found, but unable to find a operating system drive kind of stuff. So it is hard disk or operating system related. First confirm hard disk is still connected or not. It means go to BIOS, check for a hard disk. Hard disk is showing means operating system is corrupted. Hard disk is not showing, check the system connectivity. So remove all the main power supplies, then remove the hard disk power supply and data cable connectors completely and reconnect it back once again to motherboard to hard disk and hard disk power connectivity. And verify in the BIOS settings again. If still there is a problem, cross verify. This is hard disk related. Okay. Hard disk is good, operating system is corrupted. Okay. If hard disk is not good, hard disk is corrupted. Hard disk is corrupted. Then buy a new hard disk, reinstall operating system and remaining things. If in case you have taken a system image backup, already have taken a system, then you can restore into new system. We can go to the control panel.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Go to backup and restore. My voice is breaking.
Yes, sir, in between. Sometimes it is coming
okay,
nice,
okay.
but
Yes, sir, quite a lot.
Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Usually network is good. Sometimes because of application also. See.
So could be the ping fluctuating.
Okay.
Sir, in between, sir, while in the middle of the session, it is taking breaks.
Because the voice is lagging. So could be the ping issue.
I just maybe it is application related issue, not a network related. Okay, currently able to hear, right?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is called a control panel. In the control panel, go to backup and restore. In this one, you can find create a system image. Okay, guys, this is if you take a system image backup, it is enter your system. It will take except the other drives, means except your D drive, E drive kind of stuff, your C drive and all supporting drives, your personal data also will be backup as a single file. Store this image backup into your external hard disk, keep it aside. Okay, so if in case your hard disk is corrupted or operating system is corrupted, hard disk is corrupted or operating system in the hard disk is corrupted, in both the cases system image backup is useful. You can able to restore your system back through that image backup. How much it is there, whatever the thing in the image backup, you can restore it. Okay, so this is system image backup related. Okay, so hard disk is corrupted. If you have a system image backup, you can restore it. Otherwise, install an operating system. If you have any backups, you can restore it. That's it. If in case operating system is corrupted, hard disk is good, but operating system is corrupted. So which part of operating system is corrupted also is important. If like installation DVDs or pen drives, insert installation disk and go to. So while installing an operating system means you insert an installation disk, you can go to repair your piece. Repair your piece. So then you can try to repair as per that one. Generally, usually the bootable files are corrupted. So sometimes you will get a error like a bootable system not found or a boot MGR is missing. Okay. So then you can choose startup repair. Okay. Otherwise, try to reinstall the operating system. That's how image backups you can do it. Hard disk is working, OS related. Try with the startup repair. Reset this PC or a system image backup restoration kind of stuff, or reinstall the operating system. If nothing is working, so reinstall the operating system. Okay, so hard disk is working, so means it is OS related issues. So try to go to startup repair to go to the repairing options. Reset this PC. You can find reset this PC to reset your system. Okay, so what is this reset this PC, guys? OS will be reinstalled. OS will be reinstalled, but applications and data applications will be gone, settings will be gone, and your data you can keep it or you can remove it also. Two options it is there. Okay, reinstall OS. Your hard disk is not working. You should confirm that your hard disk is not working, means data in the hard disk you are already lost. Okay, so you have to add a new hard disk. If you have a system image backup, then restore it. If you have a system image backup, restore it. Otherwise, you install a new operating system, and same thing you have to follow as normal. Loss is loss, that's it. Yes, this is our second step. So post is successful, but your hard disk is corrupted or operating system is corrupted. So what kind of errors we will get it and how to troubleshoot it. So this is the third step to locate your bootloader. Okay, location of a bootloader. Okay, unable to find a boot MGR. Boot MGR is missing or corrupted. Boot MGR is missing or corrupted. Meaning is, say OS related issues. Try to go to startup repair. Boot MGR missing means mostly it is startup related. Okay, so find out a startup repair options and do the startup repair. Usually Windows 10 will take you the troubleshooting steps directly if any operating system related issues occurs. Okay, mostly after this one you won't get any problem, guys. You'll get a problem only when it is operating system will be loaded. Okay, once 1, 2, 3 steps are good, means your post is successful, and second one is in your bootable device is good with an operating system, then it will load it. And the third step is find out a bootloader. So finally you try to load operating system. Okay, in that one also, if you got any problem, that is your operating system is corrupted but bootable files are there, same issues. Okay, startup repair is also one of the solution if in case OS is unable to load. Fifth step is last final one. It is, so you try to log into your PC. So you log in, then it is taking more time to use. For example, in my PC, it take lot of time to use my system. Why? Because of lot of startups and services. It runs first. Once it is started, then you can use your system. So obviously, bootable is slow. Boot is a slow booting. Means I power on my system. After 2 minutes, I got login screen. So I log in. After 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I can able to work with my PC because of lot of startups are starting in my PC. So that is also we have to do a troubleshooting thing. Simple. First important is startups, guys. If you look at this task manager startups, can you see lot of applications are kept in a disable mode? It is better to uninstall the applications if in case you are no longer using. For example, I'm not using this Facebook game room. I'm not using any Apple kind of stuff now. So better to uninstall it. Okay. Second, what is this enable and disable? The disabled application does not start automatically when system is booted. Means I log into my system, application won't start automatically. I have to open the application if I require. Enabled means this application automatically runs. Even I don't open it, is simply I power on my system, log into my system, automatically these applications will start. Okay, so this type of application, if I enable all these applications will run. At boot time, at after booted, system is booted, these applications will run automatically and system becomes slower. Okay, and much slower. Even as services also. Not all type of services are required to run. So you have to check the services, which services you no longer require to run at a time of system start. You can keep them in manually. Okay, that I will explain guys separately. So how to manage the startups, services, and managing on applications. Because this is another one to improve your system speed. What we get necessary steps, we can able to do it. Okay, this is also important for a troubleshooting part. Okay, but what I do, so next part I will start with the basics of operating system. Okay, here I will stop. So today after break we'll go through what is an operating system. Tomorrow we'll discuss about other related troubleshooting things. Okay, take a break guys. So it's yeah, come back in 12:40.
So, are you gonna explain about the drive troubleshoots and everything? Sir?
Which one?
Problems related to drivers.
Drivers related.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will tell the small thing, guys. Okay, look at this control panel. Go to large icons is easy. So device manager. So for example, I have a device like my network adapter is there, or maybe my Bluetooth adapter is there. It's not working properly. So how will I know it's working properly or not? For example, this is my wireless adapter. Go to the properties. Working properly means it's okay, but really it is not working, but it's showing working properly means somewhat it is good. Some generally we can assume it is good. Actually, I disabled that one, so it is showing some number. So understand what it is showing. So based on that, we can do it. Next one, easy steps I will tell guys. Simple. If device is not working, it's not showing disabled, but device is simply it is showing working properly or maybe some error code. Okay, so see what is the error code it is, and even it is showing working properly, but really it is not working. It is showing working properly, but really it is not working. Okay, so what to do? Go to the drivers. Two things. One is update drivers or uninstall the drivers. Uninstall the device. So the step is uninstall the device, wait, restart your PC and check it. No need to install it again. Okay, so point is whether it is what are the error it is showing. If it is showing disabled, that is a different point, guys. If it is showing disabled, because I disabled the device, okay, I disabled the device, Bluetooth one, okay, so that is different point. But if you see any device properties, it is showing device is working properly, but it is not working properly, okay. And if it is showing some error codes, easy simple step to do is go to the drivers tab, uninstall the device, restart your PC, and then try to check the device again. Okay, just reinstall the, so just restart your PC, try to check it. If you remove all the device drivers permanently, it may get a problem. Okay, again you have to install it again. Okay. So usually when we do network related, sometimes network adapter is good running, everything is pinging is working, sometimes services won't work. So what we will do, so uninstall the drivers, restart the PC and verify. Okay. So that is the drivers related issues. Yeah, take a break guys. Next we'll see operating system because it's of second part.